Johari window. What is a window?
खिड़की.
हाँ बोलो loudly. Correct. खिड़की है ना?
खिड़की. Yes.
Window.
हाँ.
So here also, this is window की shape normally कैसे होते हैं? Like normal shapes.
Rectangular, square.
Yes, very good idea. It will be like rectangular shape or square shape. We can see in pictures when you draw. बचपन में आप लोग draw करते होंगे ना? When you draw a house, we all draw that window ना with four panes of window, four quadrant. We can say four different areas बना के हम लोग बनाते थे ना, draw करते थे. So here also the concept which we are going to discuss, that is about Johari window. But what is this Johari window? We have to see that first. Just I'll share the screen. Just 1 second. Is it visible? Just put in the chat box yes or no. So this was the earlier topic. Okay, if you remember, this was the earlier topic, type A, type B personality and all. So this we had covered. Then Johari window. Is it visible? Screen is visible. Just put in the chat box. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Arya. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. So what is this Johari window? Johari window, you can see over here, it is a model used to describe our interpersonal skills. Interpersonal skills means how are we thinking or how we are behaving. Okay. Now what is this? It is a model of self-awareness, personal development, group development, understanding relationship, etc., which was developed, or this concept was developed by two American psychologists. Their names are Joseph Luft and Harry Ingham. That was in the year 1955. And ये with the first part of their name, जैसे कि Johari, Joseph के Joe and Harry के Harry, that combining that, they called this as Johari window model. That is Joe and Harry after combining their first names Joseph Luft and Harry Ingham. So what is this model? This model explains about, or it is a widely used model to know about ourselves, okay, for understanding, training, self-awareness, personal development, then our thinking, our thought process, improving our communications, improving interpersonal relationship, how to work in a team, such things. So, okay, understood. So this, what you have to remember here is that this is a model for learning about or understanding interpersonal relationship or interpersonal skills. This concept was developed by Joseph Luft and Harry Ingham. That is why by combining their names, it is known as Johari window. So what is this? Let's see in detail now. So we inside us, when you look into inside you, since I told you initially itself, ये foundation of human skills में थोड़ा बहुत psychology आते हैं. It is all about, we are learning about what people behavior here, more about people behavior. So we know about ourselves, isn't it? Some information we almost all our personal information we know about ourselves, but बाकी लोग हमारे बारे में क्या सोचते हैं, क्या आप वो पता समझ में आते हैं क्या वो आपको? What does other people think about us? What does other people, or what is other people's feedback about others? Some we can observe some people, and then we will be able to know their behavior, है ना? Some otherwise we will be able to know others' behavior only if they are speaking to us. So this model is actually explaining about we can say, as I told you, interpersonal skills, and it explains about the process of human interpersonal skills, discussions, disclosure, feedback, and self-awareness by people. So just like a window, this is having 4 pane. Pane means 4 areas. Okay, I'll show you the picture, that time it will be clear. First I'll show you the picture. This is a window. This is the Johari window model. You can see over here. So how many panes are there? Pane means how many areas are there here? Tell me. As of what you can see from this picture, how many areas are there? Or this Johari window is divided into how many areas? Tell me, you can put in the chat box. 4. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. So you are seeing that 4. इतना समझ में आ गए जो हैरी विंडो में कितने विंडो पेन्स हैं और how it is divided? It is divided into 4 areas. Okay, now what are these 4 areas? We will see this. So come back here again. So जो हैरी विंडो is a model for describing, for learning about human interpersonal skills. And this model is explained with the help of a window with 4 window pane or 4 areas. So these 4 areas are having 4 different names. Okay, so ये 4 pane और 4 area मतलब क्या होता है? अलग अलग perspective है वो. ठीक है? My perspective, your perspective, it's all 4 different perspectives which we commonly find. Okay, so here you can see, let's see, like first one is open self. Second one is blind self. Third one is hidden self. Fourth one is unknown self. So what is this open self? Open वो name से समझ में आता है. Open मतलब वो whatever things, what is known by the person about him or herself and is also known by others. That is open area or free area or free self और एरिना, फ्री एरिना. मीन्स आपको अपने बारे में क्या क्या पता है और दूसरों को भी आपके बारे में क्या क्या पता है. दैट इज ओपन सेल्फ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई टेल यू, आई नो आई एम अ फीमेल or I'm having this much hair. My color is this. Like that. My eyes are black. Same way, another person who is talking to me, they also know it that I am a female. I'm having long hair. My eyes is black. Okay. So whatever things a person know about himself or herself and also known by others, that is open self. Okay. Then second one, blind self. What is unknown by the person but which others know, that is also known as blind area or blind spot. What is unknown by the person, खुद को नहीं पता है but दूसरों को पता है. ऐसे क्या चीज होते हैं? कभी कभी ऐसे होते हैं ना कि when you're small schools and all, school time and all, आप लोग काफी shy होते हैं and you don't know, you may be good in speaking but you खुद को realize नहीं होते हैं वो चीजें. और कभी कभी देखा होगा आप लोगों ने, टीचर्स आके मोटिवेट करवाते हैं. That means the teacher knows about you, the teacher, others know about you, but you are not having that confidence or you just ignore that part or you don't know about it, that you are having any of this ability or any of this skill. That is blind self. Okay, so open self means everybody knows about you, you also know about you, others also know about you. Blind self, others know about you but you don't know about you. Hidden self में क्या होता है? Third one, what is known by the person but about himself or herself but others don't know. ऐसे है ना, हिडन एरिया बोलते हैं, अवॉइडेड सेल्फ बोलते हैं, फैकेट बोलते हैं इसको. ऐसे कुछ चीज होते हैं ना अपने लाइफ में, कुछ some things which only we know, which we don't want to tell others, which others don't know, है ना. Some crushes, some infatuations, some personal likings होता है ना. That is hidden self. जो चीज अपने को ही मालूम है, जो दूसरे लोगों को नहीं समझना, नहीं पता रहता उन लोगों को. ओके, देन unknown self. What is unknown by the person and what is also unknown by others. अपने को भी नहीं पता है, कुछ कुछ चीजें जो अपने को भी नहीं पता है और दूसरों को भी नहीं पता है हमारे बारे में. That is last one, unknown self. So why this model is important? This model helps us to understand in which category we are falling into. Which category we are falling into. Which category we are falling into over here? Like you can say, whether when you're talking about some things, you will understand how whether you are in which category. And in an organization, everything, whatever we are learning in Foundation of Human Skills, you have to apply it in an organizational point of view. Okay, because after few years, you will definitely start working in different organizations. Whatever you are learning over here, it will be directly or indirectly applicable over there. So here you can see, this model helps to understand the reasons for interpersonal conflict, और क्योंकि क्यों There are things which a person knows about himself or herself. There are things that other people know about you. So such clashes, conflicts can happen in an organization. So Johari window gives us an opportunity to improve our personal and professional relationship and thereby slowly eliminate the conflict through understanding ourselves. Okay, so here you can see this in this picture देखेंगे ना तो अच्छे से समझ में आते हैं. Open area में क्या होता है? You can see over here, known by self, known by others. Blind area में unknown by self but known by others. Hidden area में known by self, unknown by others. And last one, unknown area, unknown by self and unknown by others. तो अभी हम लोग थोड़ा ये in detail देखते हैं. First one is Johari quadrant, open area. As I told you, here the information about the person regarding his or her behavior, attitude, feelings, emotion are not only known by the person but also to the other people. देखा होगा आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के इसमें देखो, आपको अपने फ्रेंड्स के बारे में अच्छे से पता होगा. क्लोज फ्रेंड्स वो कैसे बिहेव करते हैं, उनके इमोशंस कैसे रहते हैं, स्किल्स क्या क्या हो सकते हैं, खुद को भी पता रहेगा, दूसरों को भी पता रहता है. दैट इज ओपन एरिया. सो इन एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कैसे होना चाहिए? We should try to open this area. We should try to expand this open area for every person. Because when this open area is much more expanded, it becomes easy for communication. And when we are working in a team, it's very important that we should know about each another person, and then only we can bring out the maximum out of that person, and the team will be a very productive team. So whenever there is open area, when this open area is expanding, it means there is free communication, good communication, cooperation, trust, and no or less misunderstanding, because people are sharing about themselves and other people are also coming to know about other people. That is open area. Second one is blind area. As I told you, blind area में क्या होता है? Blind self or blind spot. This is region 2. Here what happens? What is known by the members in the group, but खुद को नहीं पता है अपने बारे में. Blind area is not something which is welcomed by individuals. ऐसे हम लोग को चाहिए क्या कि कुछ अपने को अपने बारे में नहीं पता और दूसरे लोग अपने बारे में ऐसे निकालते हैं. So वो blind spot we have to reduce. How can we reduce it? By taking opinion from others. Is there any mistake in my work? Should I change over here? Do you feel something wrong in my work? Like that, if you are taking feedback from others, we can reduce the blind area. Again, here we can do this with the help of team members, group members, managers, by taking positive feedback and helping the individuals in reducing the blind area. And so the open area should be expanded, blind area should be reduced. Blind area क्यों होता है, क्यों issues होते हैं इधर? क्योंकि दूसरों को अपने बारे में कुछ मे भी हम लोग जो काम करते होंगे, वी आर वर्किंग इन अ टीम में फॉर एग्जाम्पल 5 मेंबर्स आर देयर, ठीक है, उसमें से हम लोग एक अलग तरीके से जॉब कर रहे होंगे. वी माइट बी डूइंग द वर्क इन सम अदर मेथड, और जितने भी रिमेनिंग 4 पीपल माइट बी डूइंग इन सम अदर मेथड, सेम मेथड. सो व्हाट हैपेंस ओवर हियर? We are not knowing about how to do the work, but all others are doing it properly, and they know also that I am doing it wrong. So what happens? I will be getting affected over here. So we should try to reduce this blind area by helping in giving feedback and response to the other person. Okay. Then hidden self क्या होता है? जो अपन reveal नहीं करते हैं ना. Hidden self or hidden area is Johari region 3. Here, what is known to ourselves are kept hidden from others. This is done in order to avoiding information, avoiding feelings, or we can say we don't want to share something which is to be private, which is to be personal and all, which may not be accepted by others. But it is good if we are sharing such things. If we are sharing such things, what happens? Our mind could be an open area. So again, here also what they are saying is that hidden area also should be expanded, so that it will help to bring better understanding, better cooperation, trust, teamwork and all. And even when we are able to discuss our problems with others, which we are hiding, that is just like sharing of our problems. Then we can get feedback from others and we can try to improve ourselves. But what happens is that many times people in the organizations don't want to share this part क्योंकि उनको डर लगता है दूसरे लोग हमारे बारे में क्या सोचेंगे, ये मेरे को एक थोड़ा सा कुछ कमी है, अगर इसके बारे में किसी दूसरे लोगों को पता चलेगा तो वो लोग हमारे साथ कैसे बिहेव करेंगे. कभी कभी वो नेगेटिव फीडबैक होते हैं. So there is demotivation, lack of even losing the job. Because of these reasons, people tend to remain silent. But what happens? पीछे से क्या होता है? That will affect the productivity of that individual. So, of course, it is up to the individual whether they have to reveal the personal information and all. कितना reveal करना है, कितना नहीं reveal करना है. That is all up to the individual. But if it is possible to reveal and if it is helping the individual, they should try to do that. So, hidden area also should be expanded so that there is information sharing amongst the people. Last one, देखो, unknown area or unknown self or unknown activity. There are certain things which we don't know about ourselves. Sometimes even other people also don't know about ourselves. So these are certain aspects which we don't know, others also don't know. For example, when a new employee is joining an organization, what he will do for the first time, he doesn't know what to do over there. Others also don't know what he will do over there. That is a situation. So this example is very simple, whereby we don't know what to do in such cases. This ability, this is something, what to do over here. Unknown area के भी क्या करना है? Unknown area also should be reduced. How to reduce the unknown area? Because we should be trying to be more and more open. Sometimes there are chances some illness हो सकते हैं. There may be some disease with a person, maybe he is not knowing, others also might not be knowing. So when they try to share their information or whatever their experiences, their problems with other people, then unknown area also can be reduced. So these are the 4 important pains. Pain means PANE, or 4 important areas of learning how to develop interpersonal skills. So in an organization, just see this last one. In an organization, when we try to explore more and more opportunities or discuss with more and more people, we know that there are some hidden abilities which I didn't know earlier. Maybe I might be good in something, but I didn't know that. Even others also didn't know that. So only with this continuous interaction, continuous exploration of opportunities in the organization, we can come out of this unknown area or unknown self. And it is very important to come out of that. So unknown area also should be reduced. So this is the 4 areas. Once again, we will see. So this picture, open area where everybody knows about us. I also know about me. Others also know about me. I also know about me. Unknown self, blind area. Blind area means I don't know something about me, but others know about me. Maybe my language.Maybe when I'm talking with another person, I might be talking normally, but दूसरों को ऐसे लगते होंगे कि ये इतने arrogantly क्यों बात कर रहे हैं, इतने गुस्से में क्यों बात कर रहे हैं. So how will I reduce this? Only when I get feedback from others, I can improve over here. That is unknown self or blind area. Third one is hidden area. Something which I know, but others don't know. I might be knowing that I'm a very good painter, but I don't want to share it with others. But one day, getting a chance, working in a team, I might be ready to explore that. Then unknown areas means last one, खुद को भी नहीं पता है, दूसरों को भी नहीं पता है. So which all areas? You can see first one, open area should be expanded. Hidden area also should be, what you can say, expanded. But blind area we should reduce it. So and same way, unknown area also should be reduced so that we can get more and more feedback from other people in order to improve our way of working. Understood?